Guys, I just saw the news on Bitwise's official Twitter page. They launched the Solana staking ETF under the ticker BSOL. This is actually the first fund in the US that is entirely based on Solana, and trading starts tomorrow. So what does this mean? BSOL is a fund that buys real SOL tokens and puts them into staking to generate a return of approximately 7% per annum. All of this is done officially through Bitwise on-chain solutions, and the staking is managed by the Helios Labs team, one of the most reliable validators in the Solana ecosystem. For the average investor, this is great. No need to understand wallets, private keys, or delegation. Just buy the ETF and your SOL is already working. A project page has already been opened on bsoletf.com, where you can see where BSOL is traded and how it all works. Bitwise promises 0% commission at launch, meaning early investors don't pay for fund management. Now pay attention. There's already a rumor going around the community that if you register and fill out the questionnaire on the website, you can get 5 BSOL as a gift. First, go to the website and connect your wallet. This is necessary to verify your wallet according to the AML protocol. If everything is in order, you will receive your prize. Then, fill out the questionnaire and wait for your registration prize. If this is true, it is one of the most high-profile launches of the year for Solana. An ETF with staking, no fees, and possibly even a registration bonus. Solana is confidently entering the mainstream.